Hey, good morning, everybody. I'm Miss Lee, and I will be your photography teacher. I just wanted to welcome you all here and just kind of walk you through everything. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Google Classroom. You should be, and you will be because that is how all of your teachers are going to be doing assignments this year. So, right now, I'm just on the Google Classroom homepage. I happen to be on period 8. I'll go ahead and just move to my first period class. So even if this isn't your class, the first week you all have the pretty much the same assignments. So how you kind of navigate through all of this is if you look at the home page, there is a meeting link. So if for whatever reason emails they aren't cutting it for you and you would like to meet face to face, that's kind of where you go to meet and chat with me. If you do want to do a virtual chat, you will need to send me an email beforehand. So, on the left hand side, you're going to find some of the due dates that are upcoming. We do have quite a few things that are going to be due on Friday. So, if I click view all, it'll tell you all the assignments that are due on Friday. And if you look, I try to put them in order for you. So, the first one on the top, that's the one I want you to do. And it's in kind of sequential order here. So, I'm going to go back here a little bit. Here on the home page, you'll see announcements from me. I try to keep it clean and simple. So I just have a reminder that you guys need to turn in your assignments this week by Friday at midnight. Otherwise, it's late. Therefore, it's 10% off. At any point in time, you can work ahead in my class. I love when you guys work ahead in my classes. But make sure you try to get your homework turned in on time. So, if we go to the classwork section, I organize my Google Classroom by weeks. So, this is week 1, and here are all the assignments for week 1 along with the due dates. Now, I'm going to try to get assignments out to you as early as possible so that you guys can work kind of at your own pace. I know you all have different schedules and busy lives, but just make sure that you try to pace yourself and at least do a little bit of work each day. So for this week's assignments, a lot of them are a lot of reading. So the first assignment is the syllabus. You can click to view on the assignment, and then once you're done reading it, you want to do mark as read so you can get your full points. So the syllabus just kind of goes through my classroom rules. We have the photography classroom contact, artwork consent form. So a lot of this is just reading up on the class and figuring out what photography is all about. And I'm aware that this is a lot of reading. Unfortunately, photography has a lot of legal contracts and things like that. So it's important that you guys read them all and mark them as read so you can get your points. Now, the other thing that I wanted to talk about here was the art experience. So if I click on that, your art experience quiz is due 8/28. You are totally allowed to use the art experience document in order to answer the quiz. I'm not trying to trick you at all. I just want to make sure that you really understand what the art experience is. So if you do have questions about the art experience, let me know. The actual art experience isn't due until October 23rd, but your quiz on it is due that Friday. Now, I do put a link on here for the guide to some of the places you can go. For the art experience, you don't have to go anywhere this year. You can go to any online galleries or read graphic novels or things like that. But again, if you have any questions whatsoever about any of these assignments, make sure that you're emailing me and you're keeping communication open. The more you communicate, the easier this class is going to be. So, throughout this week, just make sure you're getting things done, you're getting things turned in. I usually will grade things as soon as I get them. So within like 24 hours, you'll see your grade reflected in Infinite Campus. If for some reason you have questions about something, or maybe you didn't like your quiz grade and wanted to retake it, make sure that you email me and I will get right back to you. All right, so if you guys have any further questions, just shoot me an email and let me know.